this overview, we'll be looking at FortiSIEM and an integration with FortiGate. What we're trying to achieve here is an automated fashion for the FortiGate to collect intelligence out of the FortiSIEM and be able to apply that to policies. Now, to begin with, we're going to look at a scenario. And in this scenario, we've got a number of components. We've got FortiSIEM, we've got FortiDeceptor, and we've got FortiGate. So FortiSIEM has a capability to build up watch lists, either dynamically through rules or by ad hoc by population, such as an API, or through CSV, or manually as part of analytics. And there we have a watch list that's updated, and we're going to use the FortiGate to query that to bring in threat intelligence. In this scenario, we have a threat actor that interacts with a decoy deployed by FortiDeceptor. And when that interaction occurs, FortiSIEM will generate an incident, populate the watch lists, and the FortiGate will then consume that watch list as a threat intelligence feed. Within FortiSIEM, we've got a number of predefined watch lists that will be populated through rules. And in this case, we've got a honeypot match watch list. So this watch list is being updated through the correlation rules. If somebody interacts with a FortiDeceptor decoy, we'll start to see these being populated. And you can see that there's a number of triggering rules. The rules that cause these values to be populated in the watch list are already defined. And we've got about 30 entries in this honeypot watch list. Now let's take a look at how we can integrate that with the FortiGate. To begin with, we're going to have a look at the security fabric, and we're going to use an external connector. We've got one predefined here, but let's just take a look at where these are based. They're under the threat feed, so you can either have an IP address, a domain, or a malware hash. And these could all be threat feeds or watch lists that you've defined in FortiSIEM as well. Let's have a look at the one I've predefined. And what we can see here is I've given this a name, FortiSIEM Deception Attackers. So the URL is Phoenix Watchlists IP, as that's a type, and then we specify the name of the watch list. We're using basic authentication, so we've got super as the organization, and admin as the password here, but you can define a different user. And the super is the global organization. So if you're using the enterprise version of FortiSIEM, this is what you would define. Or if you're an MSSP with a multi-tenant version and you've got a global watch list, you would define super here. But if you're using an organization within a multi-tenant version of FortiSIEM, you would specify the organization. We can have a look at all the entries, and we see that we've got 30 entries that have been pulled back from the watch list. We can verify that with FortiSIEM, where you can see we've got 30 entries that are defined in the honeypot match watch list. So let's take a look at how we can use this as part of a firewall policy. Let's create a new policy. We'll give it a name. We'll specify the incoming interface. In this case, it's the LAN interface. So we're looking for any traffic going outbound to these deception IP address list. And we're using the WAN interface. We'll specify the source as all. And the destination will be the FortiSIEM Deception Attackers. This is the threat feed that we've integrated from the FortiSIEM watch list. And as we can see, we've got the 30 entries defined. Let's not forget to put the service in. So we're going to look for any service. So any traffic to any of these deception IP address attackers. Put that at the top. And let's not forget to change this to the action as deny. Now we also want to enable logging, so that if we see any interaction with one of the IP addresses on the destination list, we'll generate an event, and FortiSIEM can generate another incident to identify that interaction with the honeypot attacker's IP has occurred. So this is in summary how you can integrate FortiSIEM watch lists, which can be populated through real-time correlation rules, and the FortiGate threat intelligence feed together to identify incidents within your environment.